Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. So you can see that we are starting with our economic calendar. But before, just know that I will be showing you our sniper indicator that I will be showing throughout this video. So when we go on our calendar, we can easily see that, you know what, this is actually a new month and there are some stuff happening. We have elections in the US and we also have interest rates at the same week. You see, so last week it was quite busy for me, guys. For those people who are actually did not really respond, I will be actually responding you this week. I was quite busy. And yeah, also on the market, it was quite busy. We saw the US30 selling all that. So, but this week it's a new week or new month. So tomorrow we don't really have anything. Let's change the color. We don't really have anything. And Tuesday it's where we're going to have, or let's say, it's the start of elections in the US. So let's see. On Wednesday there is nothing. On Thursday it's federal funds rate, or we can say interest rate. So it's obvious that they might cut the rates. We can see here the estimation. It says it's gonna be 74.75, which means they are going to cut with 25 basis points. I also agree with that. I don't think they're gonna cut with 50 basis points. 50 basis points. That will be aggressive. Plus, these other moves that we see, guys, they are mostly influenced by the tensions that we see, or geopolitics that we see happening all over the world, you see. But at the end of the day, I think the market is still actually trying to stay on course. So obviously, the market might not really move the way you want. So don't panic. That's how it is, especially when we have geopolitics or tensions. And plus, this week, we also have elections, so it's a lot. Plus, we also had some earnings last week, but the earnings were not really bad, but the companies did not really perform very nice. But maybe this week they will start to catch up, you see. So with the system that I'm talking about this system. So you can see it's quite easy to plug in for whether you are a beginner or pro. You can still use this because you don't really have to analyze anything. The system just analyze for you. So how do you plug it? So you will get this video, or you will get a video once you purchase this that is going to help you to install. So, but let me show you very quick. You just throw it on your chart, you allow everything there. You can see, then you click OK. But since I installed the system, you can see once you plug the system, you're gonna get something like this, you see. So let me allow this. So you're going to get something like this. So you can see that it's obvious that if the market shows you a red, you can see a red arrow pointing down, it's obvious that it's time for you to look for that sell. Blue means it's time for you to do what? To look for a buy. And what I like is the market, this system, it doesn't really just point exactly where the market is taking a U-turn. So which means it's not going to give you some fake moves, and it doesn't really repaint. So you can see even here, this is Nasdaq. The market rejected a little bit. On the third candlestick, it's where the market told you to do what? To look for that buy. Obviously, you were going to make something. Just look this sell here. Yes, this was going to be a very nice one. And it's easy. You don't really have to think twice. You can just throw everything there. We can go on US30, throw that there. You can see US30. If maybe you're trading US30, you can see a nice buy there, arrow. It's a blue one. So which means you're supposed to buy around that level. Just look what happened. When the market was selling, just look this signal here. Obviously, if you took it there, just look where you were going to reach. We can even go back. So you can see that actually you were going to eat very nice. There is no complications. It's clean. You can see from this sell up to this buy, there is no any other indication. It means you were just going to look for that sell. Easy. Until you see another blue line showing you that it's time for you to buy, then you were going to buy. And it's easy just because it just do this all analysis for you. So my network is a bit slow, but you can see when it loads, you can sell, you can buy, you can sell. So if you get this system, I think it's going to help you. And this system is actually a 150, guys. This system is 150, or you can just say 149 for those who wants to actually eat, you see. So for those who want mentorship, because other people, they just want to learn and do all these signals by themselves. So that package is 6 months. You can learn from me. Then we can meet 3 times a week. Then it's where you can just say we can meet Monday, Tuesday, whatever. Then we start to learn from there. Then that you can understand the market. You can have a trading mindset that will help you to be consistent. You can scan that QR code if you want to be that student who want to learn. But remember, this is not signals, guys. It's not signals. It's actually something that will help you to take those signals to understand the market. You see, that indicator actually helps you to know where to sell, where to buy, and you can do that, you see. So now let's go on the market. I hope maybe for those who wants those products, you can scan that QR code or check my link on the description and talk to me there. So now we are on dollar index. What's really happening on dollar index? I think it's quite straightforward. We saw the market reversing aggressively, and it seems like the market is actually struggling around this level. And this level, I've been talking about it for quite some time. It's where the market actually broke out. And if we check, this is another area where it seems like the market is struggling to break. So I think the market might end up trying to go even lower, especially when we expect the rates cut. I think that will actually have a nice push. Unfortunately, this time rates are on Thursday, so it's a little bit far. Mostly it's Tuesday, Wednesday. So I think also I see something. I don't know if maybe this will also connect. If we have something like this, I think that can also work actually, but we will have to wait and see if the market indeed respects that. But I think this can be something that we're gonna use once time goes on. But at the moment, it showed us that the dollar, it was gaining the momentum. It was going up, but it was because of CPI. It was going up. Retail sales, they were going up. NFP, last month NFP, I think it was 2 something, not this month. So it pushed the dollar index to be quite stronger, you see. But I think now it's time for it to go a little bit lower. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be, I think my network is a bit slow, which is going to be gold. Let's see what's really happening on gold. So on gold, you can see that we've been on this nice uptrend for quite some time. The market has been pushing up. The market has been pushing up for quite some time, but I think the best way is to go on a 4 hours time frame so that you can see actually what's really happening here. Let's go. Yeah, we have something like this. So you can see that the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. We had an aggressive reversal there, and you can see that it seems like the market will still continue, but if it doesn't really continue, I'm expecting it to reach this support area, which is a little bit lower there before pushing up. Or we can say around this level, see, maybe around this 2,690 there, around this level, it's where maybe the market can touch before we see another push. But since the tensions are not actually slowing down, we can go closer, you will see that. If we go closer, you will see that we have something like this. A very nice support there. You can see that the market has been touching this level. So there is a chance for the market to respect this and start to go higher. Do you see that? As we are still on that uptrend structure. So which means most of the times the market will be going up. I'm not saying that the market won't reverse here and there, but it seems like this continuation is still very, very, very stronger. You see, so that is what I'm expecting. Or if maybe we see a breakout, I think anything will happen between here. So yeah, let's be extra careful. But I think with the rates cuts coming, I'm expecting to see gold going even higher. I'm expecting gold to go even higher. So now we are on US30. US30 has been selling, guys. The US30 has been selling for quite some time now. But when we check, the structure is still actually on a very nice bullish structure. We are still expecting to see the market pushing even higher. So I think I need to clean this. I think I need to remove some of the structures. I think I was talking to my students. Yeah, I think it's something like this. So this is what we have at the moment. So the structure is actually showing us that we are reversing aggressively, especially just because we had some company earnings or tech earnings. We had Apple, we had Intel, and also Amazon, Microsoft. So most of them, they were performing well, but not really nice. So we saw some reversals here and there. So on Friday, it's where the market tried to recover. So I'm expecting to see a continuation of that recovery after we had this a very stronger sell-off. So at the moment, I still believe that, yeah, this can be a very proper continuation of that bullish move. And the market has been going down since around this level. I thought maybe the first time, I thought maybe the market was going to reverse around this level. Guess what? The market went even lower. But if we mark this area, it seems to be making sense that the market did respect this previous support there. And it's around the same level. So I'm expecting to see a nice push to the upside, especially when those companies in this US30, Apple, Microsoft, and Intel, they all performed very well. But Apple, it was selling. Also Microsoft, it was selling. But I think maybe this week we'll see maybe a recovery. Once they recover, I think we will see a bounce back from this level. I hope that makes sense. So I'm still actually bullish, even though the market was selling here. So I think it's normal for the market to reverse before going up, as we are still on that nice uptrend structure. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 did also reverse, but not really aggressive as US30, because US30 has been selling for almost a week. So we can see that, yeah, the market is still actually trying to go even higher. The market created a nice support that you can see. It was a nice previous reversal. Then it did reverse, but not really that aggressive. Did push up, but I think later on, before the market closed, we saw some a little bit reversal. But I am expecting to see a nice continuation of this nice bullish structure. So a nice buy structure there. I mean, a nice buy can actually, if maybe you did not really enter, I think it's still a very nice chance to have that bullish move there, because we are still very closer to the support area. So I'm still expecting to see that nice buy structure. So I'm actually on a buy, or I'm actually looking for a continuation of that buy structure. So I'm expecting to see that continuation, especially when we expect some rate cuts. We're no longer on the company earnings and stuff, so which means it's just us expecting to see what will happen. So let's see. I think this is Intel. What else? What else did we have here? Okay, I think this is enough. I don't see US oil. Let's see US oil. What's really happening? US oil, it was playing games with us also. The market was just going all over the place. I think it's because of tensions. We start to see that reversal also. But at the moment, we can just relax, because we were coming from this nice aggressive downtrend structure. The market started to go up. But if you draw something here, you will see that it makes sense. So now we can say, it seems like the market wants us to just wait and see what will happen, because at the moment we can see the market is on a wedge structure. Then after that, maybe we might see the market breaking one of these structures. Then we can say it's time for us to look for that buy or sell, but wait for the market to break one of the structures. So I think this is enough, guys. For those who wants to be mentored 6 months, if you want to learn, you can just talk to me, scan that QR code, or if you want the system that will help you, you just plug, then you get the signals immediately, where to buy, where to sell, and anything. You can trade anything with that. So it's also 150. So tell me if you want to be part of the team. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.